and welcome back to our channel. Today I will help you learn how to log in or sign in to your Google Photos. To learn doing so, watch the video till the end. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and never miss another update from us. Google Photos is a photo sharing and storage service developed by Google. Google Photos acts as a backup when photos are sent or, in Google terms, shared. It is just a common backup tool when photos are shared between social media or other platforms or apps. To log into Google Photos, first go to your web browser and type www.googlephotos.com login. Enter. Click on Google Photos from the search results. Now, before starting, make sure you have a Gmail account first. After it is open, go to Google Photos, click on it, enter your Gmail ID here, click Next. Now type in your password, making sure it's correct. In case you've forgotten it, you can simply click on Forgot Password right here. After entering your password, click on the Next button and you will be logged into Google Photos. You can upload photos by clicking on the Upload button over here. To sign out of Google Photos, click on the profile icon and click on Sign Out. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you think so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'll see you soon with another video.